In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your collection public. If you've saved items you love on Etsy and want to share them with friends, customers, or your audience, making a collection public is the way to go. I'll walk you through the exact path, keep it simple, and point out a few things to watch for so everything goes smoothly. Start by heading to Etsy in your web browser and sign in if you aren't already. Look to the top right corner of the page and click your account icon. From the drop-down menu, choose View Your Profile. This takes you to your public profile page where your favorites and collections are organized. Next, open the collection you want to switch from private to public. If you have several, make sure you're in the correct one. You should be on a page that shows the items inside that collection. Now, find the small edit icon located next to the collection's name. This is usually a pencil or an edit label. Click that to open the collection settings. Inside the edit panel, look for the privacy control. You'll see an option labeled something like Make Your Collection Private. If that's turned on, go ahead and disable it. When you do, Etsy may show a clear option to make public. Click Make Public to confirm the change. This tells Etsy you want the collection to be visible to others. To lock in your changes, click Save. Saving is important. If you navigate away without saving, the collection will remain private, and you'll have to repeat the steps. After saving, you should see the collection reflect its new public status. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the edit icon, double-check that you're on a collection you created. Only your own collections can be edited. If the privacy toggle isn't visible, you might be on an item page instead of the collections page, so back up to the collection view and try again. Once a collection is public, anyone who can view your profile can see it, so make sure you're comfortable sharing its contents. You can always switch it back to private at any time by returning to the same edit panel and re-enabling the private option. Then saving. That's all there is to it. You've opened Etsy, gone to your profile, selected the collection you want to share, used the edit icon to adjust the privacy setting, confirmed Make Public, and saved your changes. Enjoy sharing your curated finds with the world.